Thank you very much, Ron Duquette, members of the advisory board, members of the board of directors. Thank you very much for this great honor. It's truly overwhelming and humbling to receive it. I must recognize at the very outset Miss Anna Silgardo, one of my patients who came to nominate me. And when she came and said, Colin, I think I want to nominate you for Legends Row. And I said, listen, that's out of my league. And she said, let me decide that. And she did indeed, and she put it forward, and then I got a call from Ron, and it's truly overwhelming. It's truly overwhelming to get this award. But this award comes as a result of tremendous contribution from three perspectives. My family, my parents, who instilled in me the whole value of service. And if I can borrow a line from Scripture, what you do for the least of my brothers, you do for me. So my parents instilled that in me. My faith, my Christian faith, and I'm delighted to have Father Mark Andre, who's a spiritual director of mine, who's nurtured my spiritual development and helped me contribute to the kind of work that I've done over the years. And then to my community, who welcomed me over 35 years ago here in Mississauga. But all of this would not have been possible if it wasn't for the rock and anchor of my life, my wife, Sheila, who has supported me and committed me to doing the kind of work that I've done. I'm delighted to be joined here, in addition to Sheila, my son Warren, my daughter Diane, our husband Ryan, and our newborn grandson, William Elliott Colin. I've got a lot to work up to live up to the expectation of the name that's been stored upon him. I'd also like to recognize my brother Oswald here and my sister-in-law Naomi, who's joined us today. Let me take you back 35 years when I came here to Canada. I was so grateful that Canada opened its arms and its doors for me. I had a struggle in those days, but I made it my commitment to make sure that many others didn't face the same path that I did. I got involved, whether it was changing the curriculum or the race relations policy with Zulema D'Souza at the Peel Board of Education with Councillor Carolyn Parrish, or whether it would be the Police Services Board, where we were developing the concept of community-based policing. I've been very fortunate to work with stalwarts in our community like Shelley White in terms of addressing the new immigrant strategy, ensuring that the access to services is friendly, appropriate, and timely. And then, of course, now as chair of the Trillium Health Partners, where we are trying to develop a new kind of healthcare, to the Carlo Fadani and his family for contributing significantly and an ongoing commitment to developing the quality of healthcare that we are here delivering, and especially in the area of mental health. And Joe, like you, I'm also a resident of the Orlando Corporation, who've been very generous to me as well. So thank you very much for the Fadani family for their stalwartness in the community. Ladies and gentlemen, you and I need to do more if we are to build this community. We're very fortunate to have leadership like Mayor Crombie and Mayor McCallion, Chancellor McCallion, who've been here, who have demonstrated significant leadership in supporting the initiatives of community and welcoming the many immigrants that we have in our community. So thank you on behalf of everyone. I will truly cherish this award, and I wish you an opportunity to contribute. Search for those opportunities. There are many out there in our community, and I want you to come by, support the hospital, support Trillium, support the police, and the many other community initiatives that we have. To all of you, thank you and God bless.